Hi, I'm Richard Harfield from HW Audio, and today I'm going to show you how to change a battery in one of the QTX QR or QX PA systems. We find that if people leave the battery on by mistake a few times and get it absolutely flat, the battery doesn't want to take a charge. It's just a standard lead acid battery which you can get from us. Also fits in some alarms. What we need to do is have ideally an electric screwdriver with a decent length. So what we do, we take off the handle first, which is held on by 4 screws. Which means that we can get at the screws down there. Put that safe. And we also take off this handle as well. And then we undo these screws here. You'll find that there's 5 or 6 on each side. Sometimes it's a bit difficult to find them. And then there's 2 on the top and the bottom. You just have to be careful that you don't nail the tops of the screws. I think all these are undone now, and we just, yeah, there we are. So the best thing to do with this is be very, very careful. Just hold it up here. So you see this is the battery, and it's held on by 4 screws. There we are. So that's battery. Let's go and get another one. So here we are with our new battery. Just take the covers off it, and then we will assemble it back, making sure we get plus and minus the right way around. So that's now solid in there. Just turn this round, and we'll just do a bit of jiggling required to get the screws in the right place. All in. So we'll leave it to charge up, and there we are. That's how to replace a battery in a QR or QX PA system. Thank you. See you later.